Come on, Speedy. You're right there. We're going to walk the beach down to Ferringhi Walk, see what's happening on the beach. From what we've seen from the apartment, they've still got the parasails going, so we'll see who's out and about. What's the time? 7:15. Looks like the kids' pool's closed, so time for them to go to bed. Hey? Yeah. No. That one there? No. Looks like a nice sunset. I've lost it now. Let's have a look down here. Looks like the beach is really eroded. We were talking to a Grab driver a couple of days ago, and he said they've had a heap of storms up until this last weekend, so I don't know, is it normally like this now? It's been 35 years since we've been here, so it seemed like the beach was bigger back then, but it looks like it's really taken a hammering. It's a decent drop off down here, so if anyone knows, write in the comments when you were here and if the beach was any wider. Get rid of these pluggers and we'll head that direction. Yeah, it looks like the beach has taken a hammering for sure. Over the obstacle course. Oh no, thanks mate. Thanks anyway. How much is it? How much is it?
What's that?
How much is it for the parasail?
For 2 person, 250.
2 persons, 250.
Yeah, 2%.
Okay. Thanks mate. See ya.
Okay.
Are you not allowed to take off from the beach anymore? Oh, you can? Oh.
They swung him into the trees.
They come through the trees.
Your last time you are the how old are you?
1990.
1990.
1990.
35 years ago. We're old.
Yeah.
And I loved it, but I'm getting too old.
Thanks guys. They're all very friendly here, that's for sure. Because they're trying to get some money out of you, but hey, that's their living. They're going to make money while it's busy. I can see a fire show going on up there, but it might be over by the time we get there. Let's see. Looks like a pretty nice place to have some drinks at sunset. No thanks, mate. This is I think what they call the Ferringhi Walk. So, seems to be the place happening. Well, that was our little walk along the beach, and g'day. We got to see the fire display. There was one young fella there that was about 12 years old, throwing a fire stick around, coming around the tables and throwing them over people's heads. So yeah, so we'll be back at the hotel, and they've brightened it up for Christmas. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. They've done a beautiful job.